This 2012 Chevrolet Express cargo van is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Chevrolet Express 2500 CNG cargo van 6.0L Vortec V8 engine 6-speed automatic transmission 4-tank option 300-mile range partition door custom built-in ladder rack pipe holder white exterior gray interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Chevrolet Express CNG cargo van is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and app pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.